Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing? The main idea for this provide value added resources for ambitious to start and grow their own businesses. So today is our first episode. We are going to talk about that time is now. You can start your own business. This is the right time. You always wanted to take charge of your life, right? You always wanted to take charge of your life. Then what happened? The fear came in, doubt came, then worry, something or other always stopped you. Pandemic hit. So many things are happening in this life, and still you are still wondering, can you take charge of your life? Yes, time you have to take charge of your life, because if you don't take charge of your life, nobody else will, because this is you can take charge of your life. Many times actually we are just in our comfort zone, but comfort zone is not growth zone. You don't grow comfort zone. When you live outside of comfort zone, you grow. So why do you want to stay in comfort zone? Yeah, I mean, do you know the story of frogs? They were in water, very comfortable. Then how do you boil a frog? You increase the temperature little bit, little bit, little bit. Yeah, they are still comfortable. They think it is a warm jacuzzi. They are realize the temperature is so high that they are totally boiled and they are dead. I don't want to say exactly that is the situation in the job world. Many times people do face through all these kind of situations, and I just want to tell that get out of comfort zone, take charge of your life. You have only one life to live. There are so many things which you can do as a side, 50 plus ideas which you can